Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. This is Lovely of Lovely Budgets HK. I will do a saving challenges again. I'm letting the dice decide in which saving challenges we can put this money and which saving challenges can be finished or can have more money than the other. So let's start. So what we have here is 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 110, and 120. So for these saving challenges, as we go on, as we count the money later, I will tell you where the saving challenges came from. So I just arrange it. So let's do this. And I don't have much, so let's check if which one have enough $10. Let's check. I don't know which one have. Okay, take this one also. Yeah, take this. Let's see. Hmm. Sorry for the mess. I don't have $10 here. This three is new one, so this is the old one. Oh God, we just mix up. This is what is old. I already have this before. Okay. So let's start. We don't need the calculator, so let's put it aside. Okay, let the dice decide. 6, 2, 4, 6, 6. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 6. Ah. Okay, next. 7, 6. Again, 6. I think it's finished. Yeah, we only need 5. So let's see later. 2, 7. Oh, let's take out this. 8, 4, 4. Let's change. 4, 7. Again, 7 here. 2, 1. Yeah, 1. Oops. 3. 3 here. So this one doesn't have any. So just this, keep it there. And let's, oh, by the way, this saving challenges is from Mystic Budgets, as well as this one, the donut one. So let's arrange this and count which saving challenges got more and which saving challenges finish. All right. Get the one paid for first, one saving, eight for saving challenges. So okay, so money affirmation, I got here $10, so $2 per letters. So let me color this. I missed one last time. See, let's color this one. One, two, three, 4, and 5. So now I just put here, I will not count it because it's not finished. So just put it aside. And for this donut, by mistake, oh, by the way, this saving challenges is from Christy Budgets. This is my second affirmation. The first one for the finish. So for this one is for mistake budget as well. So it's $1 per donut, but so I need to color 20 of this, but I will just cross it out and color it later. So let me mark this. I just leave 5 donuts. Okay, I just leave 5 cookies. That is not. So instead of coloring 20, I just mark 5. So it means that $5 more and it's gonna be finished. Okay, next one. Cupcake saving challenge is from Course Budget, Cathy of Course Budgets. I just put it in here now. It's a new one. It's a new one for this mini challenge. And let me mark which. So he got there $30. So $30. Let's mark this. 10, 22. No, cannot. Here. 10 and 20. 10, 15, and 5. Okay, that's 20. No, that's 30. 10, 15, yeah, that's 30. This saving challenge is a set of 3, but I only use 1. So this from Cathy of Course Budgets, my dear friend. Hi, Cathy. And Love is in the Air, Simply Living Saves, $5 each letter, and the heart icon. So I'll color 4. I need the other. Here. I like this color. So, hey, no, you see? I didn't take it out. I'm messing up. So how many saving challenges you got? You have mini saving challenges as well? Most of us have mini saving challenges, right? But I want to finish more, and I want to finish. I'm focusing on the bigger one. So let's see what happened in the following month or months. So let's see. So now 20. Let's see what I can do later. So for this, from Simple Living Saves as well. So I put here one icon is $2. So now we got 5. We need to color 5 icons. One. This is a shamrock. Okay, it's done. Next challenge is Deep Plans and Budget. So this one, oh, I haven't finished anything yet, right? Cherry challenge. This one is for Deep Plans and Budget in collaboration with Simple Living Save. So I only need here 5, but let's put 10 anyway. Let's put 10 because I don't have. And after this one, I'll use this. So let's mark it. So this challenge is finished. First time. Dun, dun, dun. Dang, dang, dang. So I got 30 now. And let's put it in here. This is all my mini saving challenge, which is finished. And this $10, let's put it in here. So this also, I don't want to use it first because I want to finish March, February first, but okay, let's put it here now. Let's put here $5. 5 or $2. Let's do 5. And color 2 icon, 2 letters. Which one better? Do this. I want to make it nice, but when you're filming and you want to make the video shorter, the result is not good. See? And we all hear another $1. This. And for show the love, which is this one. So we got here $10 and we need color 2 icons. And now show the love has 20, 40, 50, $60. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, $60. Yes. I really want to finish this, so what can I do? Maybe later on. Another challenge, maybe, if we're lucky. So that's the end of my video. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you have fun while watching my videos and see how messy I am. Thank you so much and see you love this later. Bye for now and see ya. Bye, bye, bye.